Hello everybody, my name is Jasmine aka Marisol, and within the series I want to teach you how to make basic Korean knots. But without further ado, let's get started with today's knot. Today's knot is called the 연봉매듭 or Lotus-Bud-Knot. To make this knot, I have prepared our practice string again. This is just 2 pieces of string tied together at the top. The strings are 80 cm long each, and they're braided nylon cord by Griffin. This is not sponsored in any way, this is just the brand that I'm using right now. It is 2 mm thick and you can find it linked in my bio if you need it. Starting off, we're going to do something a bit different. We're going to lay down our thread. I would recommend putting a weight on top, that just makes it easier. Then I'll first take the right string, in my case that's the white string, and fold it up so that it forms a loop. Don't make it too close to the top yet, you will see in a second why. Also make sure that it crosses over the black string. Then just hold down over here with your index finger and fold up the loop once. While holding that down, take the black string, put it underneath the white string over here. Try to hold that all in place. Then take the end of the black string and right here, where our white loop crosses the black string, lift the black string up a bit, go underneath that with the black string, and then just pull. Should look something like this right now. Then again, take the black string, go underneath the white string, lift up this part over here, and through this hole in the middle, go through there with your black string from the back side. Just pull that through a bit. Next, you want to take your white string again from the right side, go underneath the black string over here, just lift it up a bit, go underneath that, and then the middle part right here where we went through with our black string before, just go through that once more, but make sure to not cross through the loop of the black string that we just pulled through in the last step. Just pull that through, and now you're all ready to pull that knot tight, so just pull on the top and bottom as evenly as you can. Once you have that, it could look something like this. Mine is not entirely even, and that's okay, because we're going to adjust that in a second. If you know my other tutorials, this part is a bit hard to explain in detail, but what we're going to do is from top to the bottom, we're going to start to pull the string through the knot so that everything is at the place where we want it and that everything is nice, tight and even. If you would want to move it closer to another knot, you would start by pulling this thread into the knot, but I don't think that we need this right now for the tutorial, so I'm just gonna focus on making that even and be back in a second. And there you have it. Congratulations, you have made a 연봉매듭 or a Lotus-Bud-Knot. To be honest, it's just such an easy but good looking knot. I find this knot to be especially great if you just want to add a bit of extra interest but maybe don't have a bead at hand that fits over your string. It also makes a great end for Norigae, so I would really recommend doing this knot more often. But let me know in the comments, was this easy? Was this hard? Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped. If it did, maybe give it a like or subscribe for more content coming up. If you're interested in getting Norigae or Norigae inspired items and you've just realized that making them yourself is not for you, that is of course totally valid. And if you'd like, you can check out my Etsy shop, which is linked in the description. See ya!